And good Monday to you. I hope those that were able to see the total solar eclipse or a partial eclipse was able to do so. Unfortunately, many of us here in North Dakota were a bit unfortunate and unable to see that due to the cloud cover across the area. But hey, I got some cool video here I want to show you really quick of the what the eclipse looks like from space looking down over the United States. So here, check this out. This is a kind of a cool little video here if I can get this to open up. And I should be able to just drag this over here, make sure you can see it well. But kind of just a cool little sight that you can see the shadow of the moon passing across the United States where that solar eclipse was. And again, because of all the cloud cover across most of North Dakota and Minnesota and South Dakota, we were unable to see that, but still kind of a cool thing to be able to see it this way. Here's another look at what this looked like using a different filter on it. This is more of a true color. Of course, it kind of switches colors here because it thinks it's dark and it's trying to figure out what to do, but still just kind of a cool little sight from space looking down instead of from Earth looking up at the solar eclipse. So kind of a cool little thing right there. But what are we going to be expecting over the next couple of days? We just got some very much needed moisture in areas of eastern North Dakota and Minnesota. We picked up in a lot of spots over a half inch of rain, and that's great. And the good news is in the extended forecast, it doesn't look like there's going to be too many shortcomings of possibilities for rain. Of course, we'll get a few days where it doesn't, but several chances for rain and showers in the forecast and a semi-decent shot at heavier rains in the extended forecast towards 10 days. Not going to touch a lot on that outside of a possibility for rain towards Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, kind of that ballpark of days of next week. Of course, with it, a possibility for snow for some. Too far out to give you any exact details on what is going to happen with it, but keep it in mind, possibility for some much needed heavier rains and a possibility that could mix in with snow, mainly out west. But again, we'll just keep an eye on that possibility for right now. Here's what we're looking at for temperatures across the area today. For the most part, we're all stuck in the 40s. There are a few expected 50s north of Highway 2 in northern North Dakota. So all in all, not a bad day. Cloudy. There are a couple of isolated sprinkles and some showers out there. These are going to stick around throughout kind of the rest of the day, but they'll start to dissipate as we head into the overnight hours. And as we head throughout those overnight hours, most of us should sneak away with above freezing temperatures. Of course, a few up to the north will drop below freezing, but a mild night for tonight. And we'll warm back close to 60 degrees, a lot of 60s, upper 50s across the region. Looking like a very nice day on Tuesday. We'll start to shake some of the cloud cover and get back in on the sunshine. That will be very, very nice. There will be a shower possibility, not a great one on Tuesday. Possibility. I'll show you here in just a moment. The rest of that night, again, remaining mild. Most everyone staying above freezing. And as we head towards the afternoon, this brings us to 1 o'clock on Wednesday afternoon. A lot of 50s and 60s from the valley eastward, 40s and 50s west of the valley in North Dakota. Here's our shower chance. Throughout today, some periodical scattered showers here or there, a few sprinkles into the overnight hours. And for the most part, as we head towards tomorrow morning, we're looking fairly dry across the state outside of a couple light sprinkles here or there. Now, on your Tuesday afternoon, I said it's going to be nice. We'll get in on sunshine. It's going to be near 60 degrees for many of us. There's a possibility we could pop off a couple of isolated pop-up showers. Not the greatest of bet, but we'll likely see a few of them here or there, pretty fairly isolated, so not a good bet for rain. However, as we head into your Wednesday, we'll get another cluster of showers that will push into the valley. I'm going to switch models here to our afternoon European run, bring this out towards Wednesday. We'll start to see again that pocket of showers building in, and we'll get some wider spread scattered and isolated showers. Not everyone's going to see them, but there will be numerous of them around the area on Wednesday, and we'll start to dry things out a little bit on Thursday. Again, still a couple isolated light showers here or there. And then as we head through the rest of the weekend, by the way, looks like we might be near 70 degrees Saturday and Sunday and into Monday. That looks great. But possibility for some thunderstorms Monday night into Tuesday, some thunder showers and heavier rains into the valley and areas of Minnesota towards the middle of next week. That's our possibility, and that's where I'll leave it for right now, but be keeping an eye on it. I'll give you updates throughout the week ahead on what that storm system is looking like, and yes, it does so happen to fall in line with our LRC predictions. We'll touch on that another time as well. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Drop a comment, question. I'll answer them as quick as I can.